Introducing the new LTS Solar Powered IP camera. It's built to be a self-sufficient surveillance solution in our professional IP camera line, made for usage in rural areas. This camera requires no electrical wiring or network cables and comes with a built-in 4G module for remote connection. The camera can run up to 8 days of continuous operation upon a full charge without direct sunlight. The camera can receive cellular signals through a T-Mobile 4G SIM card. It is built with an internal memory of 64 gigs eMMC storage and supports up to 256 gigs of additional storage via micro SD card. Equipped with color 24/7 and ultra-low lux technology, the camera can record full-color footage at all hours of the day. Users will be alerted of instances such as line crossing and perimeter intrusion through push notifications from NVR MS-V3 software, as well as the LTS Connect mobile app. Whether it's for parking lots, parks, farmlands, or temporary construction sites, the new solar camera provides a powerful, eco-friendly monitoring solution that requires minimal maintenance. The camera is durable enough to withstand the harshest weather, and the battery maintains operations in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by renewable energy for a sustainable future, the LTS solar camera is your answer for remote area surveillance needs. And remember, don't wait until the little ninjas attack. Stop them in their tracks with Sector 1 security.
Sector 1 Security.